Hey, it's Steve, your local real estate expert coming at you today. We are going to take a home tour of this beautiful home located on the northwest side of Tucson. This home is directly adjacent to Oro Valley, actually about a half mile outside. So let's go have a look. As we make our way into the home here, just want to give you a quick look at the neighborhood. They do allow parking on the streets, as you can see there, per the HOA, or at least they tolerate it. And this home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's 1,900 square feet, and it's built in 2014. So let's go inside and take a look. As we enter the building, we do have tall ceilings. This is some nice ceramic tile. It's like they got it spread throughout the main area here. These are about 10-foot ceilings, and there is can lighting, as you can see, throughout the entire house, which is super nice. Makes it a well-lit home. There's a lot of upgraded, like, modern features in this property. And again, to the right here, as soon as we walk in the entryway, there is a large, I guess it's more of an office. It looks like they have some stuff set up for maybe crafting or workshop. Obviously they had a TV and stuff in here. But this is a really, actually big space. You can do a lot with this room. Just an extra space there. And we'll walk in. To the right, you can see the open floor plan kitchen. And we're gonna head to the left first here. This is kind of a formal dining area. Again, you got tile throughout and the high ceilings. Again, can lights and well lit. They did do a lot of upgrades to this property. You got the brand new thermostat, which is right there, and have a little separator wall there between the hallway, you know, and the dining area. So let's walk in here. We're gonna hang a left, and we're gonna get right into the laundry area here. And again, still tile throughout, high ceilings, and you got your laundry hookups. Looks like this property is only plumbed for electric appliances there. And opening up into the garage, and you can see it's a pretty standard 2-car garage, standard size. It's all finished, which is really nice. Very finished garage. And one thing it does have over there is, you know, a reverse osmosis water system. Oh, I take that back. We have tandem garage, so there is an extra space up there as well where you have your water heated. I missed that on the initial walkthrough. So let's head back down the hall. Now as we cruise down the hall, we got, again, can lighting, high ceilings, and same nice tile throughout here. And coming to the end here, we're going to take a right, and you can see the tile runs right in there. They did a really good job with running this tile throughout the entire property so it flows. And you can see this is the guest bathroom. It does have room for a double vanity. However, this one only was installed with a single, but that would be an easy upgrade. And pretty standard shower tub here. It is a plastic shower tub, which is kind of standard. You can see this tub here. Yeah, plastic. Pretty standard. So it's up to you if you wanted to upgrade that or not, but it is nice and in good condition. Back and back out. Straight across the hall, we have bedroom number 1, which is right there. This is a standard size room. Good size. Ceiling fans and can lights throughout. And this is carpeted, newer carpet, and a standard slider closet there. And heading back down, that'll be the master, which we'll get to, but on the left. So before you get to the master, you have bedroom number 2 here. Again, pretty similar to bedroom number 1. It's a bedroom. Out the window, you do have the neighbors next door. Again, that's bedroom number 1. The garage right down the hall there, and the bathroom. And then as we walk into the master here, take an immediate right, and you can see a very large walk-in closet. This is a good size walk-in closet. I would say it's at least probably 12 feet deep, 12 to 15 feet deep, and about 8 to 10 feet wide. So definitely do a lot in there. And again, tall ceilings here. And a good sized master. Good sized master and the view of the backyard, which we'll get to in a second. Then here's the master bath. This one does have the matching tile, matching the rest of the home. And it does have the double vanity there, which is nice. Being built in 2014, I imagine most of this stuff came, standard issue with the home. Also has a nice deep linen closet with coat racks. That's actually, if you look down here, you can count the tiles. It's good 3 feet, deep. It's a big closet, lots of room for storage, and separate bathroom toilet area. And again, this has high ceilings throughout. Bathroom window up there just to provide some extra light. And let's go back to the master. And we'll head down the hall to see the rest of the home. Okay, just to give perspective, that was the entryway here. So coming in from the entrance to the right, we have our kitchen. And again, this is a pretty open floor plan. You can see it kind of jogs over here for the dining area, and then you got the kitchen, granite countertops with a bar, and all stainless appliances, which is nice. The fridge would go right there. White cabinets, lots of storage, tall cabinets. You do have space up at the top, for knickknacks and plants and things. And again, you still have these 9 or 10 foot ceilings throughout the entire home. And that's your main living area there, right next to the kitchen. I'll come back here before we go outside and just get a shot so you can actually see what it looks like from inside the living room as you walk in. This is walking in from the backyard. So that's a good shot, of the layout there. So you got double pane doors and windows throughout this property. This is super nice. Again, it being a newer home, it is pretty standard issue. And this property has been fully landscaped. They have a little bar area here where you could set stuff. I'm gonna put my head around the corner. So yeah, your AC unit's there and just a little run there on the side. There's the neighbor. And this is the backyard. So it's a decent sized yard. And for a subdivision on this side of town, it's a pretty good sized yard. Obviously the neighbors are gonna be fairly close, and that's just kind of the style of this subdivision. You got your gate here and side area. And the neighbors there and there. And you got artificial turf grass, and it's just a pretty clean, low care yard. And so let's head back inside, wrap things up, and just one more thing I want to share with you as we walk out to the front. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely home on the northwest side of Tucson, Arizona. Be sure to click the link in the comments below and check out my free PDF toolkit that gives you 3 pro tips to buying a home in 2022 and beyond. And again, thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you get notified with all the new videos, and watch another video in this series. Thank you. Talk to you soon.